Welcome everyone, I'm Michael from Kids After All. We're bringing you funful videos for all the family. Now today's video is actually going to be a little bit different. It's the start of our new series, our science experiment series. Now, apologies to those of you who are used to going through the time frame videos on these Monday mornings when I upload them. Unfortunately, it's something I'm going to try for a little while, see how these science experiments go. That is only because the views haven't been as good on the time frame videos as I was hoping. So what I want to try and do is change it up in case there's obviously something everyone else out there would prefer to watch. If it turns out that the time frame is something you want back, then that is absolutely fine. Just get in touch, let us know. Obviously mention in the comment section down below. But like I say, just to try something a bit new, see if that's something that people will enjoy more. So like I say, it's going to be the first in our science experiment episode and series. And what we'll be doing is a variety of dead easy science experiments you can do at home, something that is really good for the kids, really educational, and also lots and lots of fun. Now, as per usual, I have to say a huge thank you. Make sure you keep clicking that magic subscribe button. We are honestly ever so close to hitting that 150 subscriber mark, so close to being able to announce the winner of that competition. But please keep clicking that button, click that subscribe button, and keep sharing with people to make sure that everyone else enjoys these videos as well. But we're going to get straight into the video, so thank you very much everyone. So guys, for this first video in our science episode, we are going to look at, well, first of all, need dead easy, just a bowl, need some black pepper and some soap, super easy. Obviously what you need as well is a little bit of water just to go in there. But what this does is it helps teach children about bacteria and the importance of washing their hands. I like to say it's super easy doing, actually so much fun, and they're going to absolutely love it. So what we'll do is, like I say, fill up some water in there, just like that, dead easy. Now all you're going to do is you're going to get your black pepper, spraying it all in as much as you want. To be honest, the more you put in, the better, because it helps demonstrate it more. So as you can see, lots of nice black pepper there, and obviously when you explain this to the kids, the black pepper is supposed to represent the germs. So all you're going to do is, kind of first things first, is you're going to just put your finger in, see how nothing happens. In fact, the black pepper is actually attracted to your finger. So what we're going to do is just going to quickly wipe my finger there, and then this time I'm going to put some nice soap on, rub it in, and then this time you'll be able to see the reaction. So watch, put our finger in there, and look how all the pepper runs to the side, and some of it also sinks to the bottom. Now the reason for that is pepper is now known as a hydrophobic. Now that means that the water is not actually attracted to it. So because of that, it means that the pepper can't dissolve in the water, which is obviously why I thought about also sink to the bottom. But obviously the reason why once you put the soap on, it kind of helps, makes it spread and run away, is the fact that soap itself actually breaks down the surface tension of the water. Now that's the part of what makes soap being such a good cleaner. As the soap moves into the water, obviously on your finger in this instance, it breaks up that surface tension, it changes, so the pepper no longer floats on the top. But obviously the water molecules, obviously using a lot of technical science terms here, and the water molecules still want to keep that surface tension going, so obviously they pull back away from the soap and carry the pepper along with it, and that's why it pushes out to the sides, and like I say, some of it also sinks to the bottom. Other things you can also use to demonstrate this idea, and also it does kind of work slightly differently, is olive oil and hairspray. They're two really good ones you can use. But obviously, like I say, it's a fantastic way to demonstrate to kids the importance of washing hands, because obviously, like I say, the pepper, in terms of when I explain it, acts as the germs. And obviously when you haven't washed your hands, you know, it comes to you, but when you wash your hands, germs disappear. But as you can see, super easy experiment to do, lots of fun at home, and just the first in many of our science experiment episodes we've got coming up. So thank you very much. So as you can see, it's super easy for science experiment to do at home, and actually something that is fantastic for being able to demonstrate the importance of washing hands, particularly obviously as things are at the minute. It's even more important than usual to make sure you are washing those hands, and something that kids can visually learn and understand as well. Just something super easy to do, and like I say, this is going to be our series from kind of moving forward for now, just to see how things go and see if it's something that interests people more than the time frame singing. But as I say, if time frame is something you were really interested in, really want to see, then please hit that comment section down below, send us messages on Facebook or Instagram, and just let us know that that's something you wanted, because what I don't want to do is get rid of things that people are enjoying, but have noticed on the views on the channel it's something that has dropped a bit recently, so that's why we're changing up a little bit, going with this science experiment series and seeing how this goes as well. But super easy, lots and lots of fun, and there'll be so many more to come, so make sure you keep watching. And if you haven't already, please click that like button and that subscribe button, and make sure that you have that bell notification button, that little symbol that looks like a bell, clicked, so that it lets you know when there is a brand new episode uploaded, so you don't miss out. But like I say, huge thank you to everyone for all the support so far. We are honestly so close to that 150 subscriber mark, which was a massive target for us. So please guys, keep clicking that subscribe button, keep clicking the like button, keep sharing with everyone else who you think might be interested. But obviously, as per usual, thank you ever so much for your time today. We have a few more videos. Obviously, we've got some with linking in with the science experiment. We have some how-to videos, how to make videos just down there in our playlist, and also something else. We have our helpful tips videos just over here, something that might interest you too. But as per usual, you take care of yourselves. Thank you ever so much, and I'll see you later.